Hi and welcome to another how-to video from us here at AST Limited, home of the Fastime Stopwatches range. In this video, we'll be showing you how our Fastime 24 stopwatch works. The Fastime 24 offers rugged precision for single event timing. It's ideal for sports where you only need to track the current time. The start-stop button on the left we will refer to as button A, the reset button as button B, and the start-stop button on the right as button C. Press C or A to start. Press C or A to stop. Press C or A to continue. Press C or A to stop. And press B to reset. And that's the Fastime 24. We've included a link to the downloadable instructions in the description box below. You can also contact us via our website if you have any queries. Thanks for watching.